Hello, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing us how to buy USD on the platform, like perform a P2P trade, engage with brokers' offers on the platform. On the P2P balance card, you can click on trade USD. Alright, it will bring you to this buy and sell USD page. So we have options on how to go about it. You can either choose your preferred brokers or buy offer by the filter we have here. So you can filter by regions. So we'll go by Nigeria. You can filter by payment method. You can say bank transfer. Then you can filter by currency. You can filter by the highest to lowest or lowest to highest price. Then you refresh. When you refresh, everything you've added here is what you get. You don't have to go through all the offers from page to page to get the best for yourself. So it has already been filtered to your desired rates or options. So you scroll through. If you're not getting what you want here, we have these options here to go to the next page. After you've gotten your offer, click on buy USD to proceed to the next step. Fill up the amount you want to buy, then click on buy now. Alright, so keep all conversation within the chat. Moderators will not be able to assist you if something goes wrong outside BananaCrystal. Here we have every information we need to know about these brokers, the account you're sending the payment to, and the amount we are to send. So after making payment, you click I have made payment and you'll be asked to wait. So if the other party does not release the funds within 3 hours, you can click on dispute request button to create dispute against the trade. A moderator from BananaCrystal will help resolve the dispute. Ensure to also send receipts as evidence of payment to the broker. Also prompt them to release USD. And we have a time lapse of 3 hours before you can dispute this trade if they've not responded. So when you receive reply from the broker that they've released the USD to you, kindly refresh this page to see the amount reflect in your BananaCrystal account. Yes, it has shown that yes, I got that amount to my account, and that's how you buy a USD on BananaCrystal platform. You can choose to leave the broker a good review, and this marks the end of how to buy USD on BananaCrystal platform guide video. Thanks for watching.